it's Krystal Everdeen, and you know that Selena Gomez inspired crochet dress that I spent 15 hours making, like 2 days straight of me crocheting it till my wrists hurt and my hand was all cramped up, and I shared a video and it went viral, got like millions of views, and everyone really loved it and is fantastic and stuff. Well, I'm unraveling it today. Yep, but the title is not lying. I am indeed unraveling the Selena Gomez inspired dress that she wore in her Love On music video. And it is because I simply will probably never wear it. Like, I really genuinely will probably never wear this dress because it is a bodycon dress and I don't like wearing bodycon dresses. I feel like I'm not curvy enough to really fill it out properly, or I'm not skinny enough to look good in it. I don't know, that's just my insecurities and personal preference. I don't like wearing bodycon dresses. I like when my dresses are tight and then they flare out, which is why I made this dress, which is essentially the same concept of the Selena Gomez dress, but it is tight on the top and then it flares at the bottom, and it's also adjustable in the back, where that one you just kind of have to squeeze into it. And I like this one way better. I like the way this one looks on me way better than the bodycon one, but I made the bodycon one because the one that Selena Gomez wore is a bodycon dress. So yeah, so don't you worry. I do have a similar dress for me to wear and to keep. I do plan on keeping this one for now. But yeah, this one's gotta go. I don't need it. I'm not going to sell it. A lot of people ask, like, why don't you sell your crochet creations? I just don't like dealing with selling stuff, like shipping, and what if it doesn't fit them, then they gotta return it, and then who pays for shipping, and it's like, So I'm literally just going to unravel it. And I knew it from the beginning of me making this dress that I was going to unravel it, because I never actually detached it from the yarn ball, as you would see in my original video if you look closely. So enjoy these clips of me unraveling this dress, this whole dress that I spent 2 days, 15 hours making, just to be yarn balls again. like that, the Selena Gomez crochet rainbow dress is back to how it started. Just balls of yarn. And I say just like that as if it was fast, but that took me over an hour to do, to unravel the dress and then also, wind everything up into little yarn balls. Over an hour, not an hour, over an hour. So that was a little bit frustrating, and I felt like I needed to share that with you because that was not easy. I thought I was like, oh, I'll unravel this in like 20 minutes, make a quick little unraveling video. No. It was quite the challenge. This dress is a challenge through and through, making it and then also unraveling it. It was just difficult. 15 hours to make it, an hour just to unravel it, which, I mean, when you think about it, that's pretty crazy. It took me 15 hours to make it and just 1 hour to unravel it. But then again, an hour to unravel something is a really long time. I got quite the arm workout in today, I will say that. But anywho, now you've seen the creation and the destruction of this iconic Selena Gomez Oscar de la Renta rainbow dress. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like this video and would want to watch more videos of me unraveling my projects, because I will confess to you, I do unravel a lot of my projects that I share tutorials for on here, because I crochet these projects specifically to make tutorials for them, and then maybe I wear them once or twice, and then I kind of just repurpose it for the yarn. See all this yarn that I use for this dress, I'm going to repurpose it for a future tutorial. And that's what I do with a lot of my crochet projects. So if you want to see me unravel them as well, then let me know. But if it just angers you because you see me unraveling my projects after I spent so much time making them, then I won't share my unraveling videos with you. But I thought this one would be special since it is such a big project. And man, that definitely took a lot of time. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you would like to watch videos of me creating crochet projects, aka crochet tutorials and stuff, please check out the rest of my channel. I have so many crochet related videos ranging from beginner friendly tutorials to more advanced, to crochet with me, crochet ideas, style my crochet, and so on. So check that out, as well as follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Both are at Krystal Everdeen for a fun time, and I would love to see you there. Thank you again for watching this video, and don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you have not already so I can see you next time. Bye! And have a magical day.